I see you looking at these accessories. Out of curiosity, what kind of mouse are you using right now?
Just a regular, because I bought a couple of years ago.
Okay, okay. And how do you usually use it? Mostly for work, gaming, or both?
But actually, I work from home and also play games in my free time.
Okay. Sounds like you spend quite a few hours on the computer. How's the most been holding up for this location?
No, great to be honest. I feel comfortable after a while and something. The pointer like asking by
Oh, I see, I see. Then, when it happens, is comfort alright, or does it affect your work or game experience?
will cover it so video and in gaming I get annoyed because I can quickly replace the cell.
That must be frustration. I feel that, I feel that. If this keeps happening, do you think it will impact your overall productivity or even enjoyment of gaming?
Yeah, definitely it already makes me less efficient and sometimes I just stop playing because it's so uncomfortable.
But that's not a big deal. Imagine if you had a mouse designed to reduce waste strain and give you small operable movement. How do you think that will change your daily work or gaming session?
That will hurt a lot. Maybe probably be able to work without and play games because the frustration of battery.
That's why many people upgrade to an ergonomic mouse with adjustable DPI settings. For example, this model there has a control grid for comfort, customizable buttons like this, and have a persist tracking. As you can see it. Would you like to test how it feels in your hand, please?
Not let me try.
I know this for your wrist was more naturally. And you can adjust the sensitivity with just one button like this. And can you remove it?
Yeah. I feel way better than mine. I can see how this will make different.
Great. We also have a warranty and software customization options included. Would you like me to set one aside for you today?
Yeah, I think I'll take it.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Nice to have you.
Okay, okay.